Hi everyone, welcome to another video of mine. Today I just want to share with you how I create an invisible border. I call it invisible because once my stitching project is finished, I'm going to take them off. So here I'm just going to stitch from one end to another in the form of rectangle as big as the box lid. I just stitch from one end to another 4 times, but I didn't tie the knots at the end. So once my sewing project finishes, I'm going to take them off. So you'll see here I'm stitching from one end to another and then straighten them up and then measure again. This is my last stitch, so just easier, put them in, another one, and then pull them tight. So once all sides are finished, you can either tie the knots at the ends, but I won't because I just need the border to see how big my sewing space is. Thank you for watching.